Hi, little learners. Welcome to MinimindsEH, where learning is fun and smart.
Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn the names of some tasty and healthy vegetables? Let's go on a fun veggie adventure. This is a carrot. It's orange and crunchy. Carrots help you see better. Wow, what's this red round thing? It's a tomato, juicy and yummy. Here comes a potato. It's brown and grows under the ground. We make fries from it. This is an onion. It has many layers, just like a story. It makes food super tasty. Look, these are tiny green balls. They are called peas, sweet and fun to eat. This is a cabbage. It has so many green leaves, healthy and full of vitamins. What's white and fluffy like a cloud? It's a cauliflower. Let's cook something yummy. Meet the superhero leaf, spinach. It gives us lots of strength, green and leafy. This is a brinjal, also called an eggplant, purple and shiny. This is ladyfinger. We also call it okra. It's long and green. Here's a cucumber, cool and fresh, perfect for summer. This big round one is a pumpkin. It's orange and full of seeds inside. This is a bottle gourd, light green and long, great for health. This is a bottle gourd, light green and long, great for health. Here comes a radish, white with green leaves, crunchy and tasty. This is corn, yellow, sweet, and fun to eat. These are green beans, long and thin, snap, snap. So colorful. These are bell peppers, red, yellow, green. They're so bright. This is a garlic. It has a strong smell and makes food tasty. Finally, here's ginger. It's a root with a spicy kick.
Great job, kids!